This is a fun custom GPT. I call it UR. It's very basic. So, you know the statement you make when you're trying to come up with a prompt and you're like, I don't know exactly what to call this. You are a what? How would you phrase it? This is designed to give you that phrase. And then what you would do is copy and paste it into prompt that you're trying to generate. So it's a really simple. All you have to do is give it a task for what they're going to be an expert in. So I'm just going to put, just put whatever your topic is in there, hit go, and then it gives you the UR statement. So now all you would have to do is take this statement, paste it into whatever prompt you're trying to optimize and get narrowed down, and then continue with the rest of whatever that prompt is. So this would be your UR statement. Enjoy.